The master to inspire your painting of this week is Franz von Stuck, a German symbolist painter, sculptor, architect, and graphic artist who was well known during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Stuck, who lived between the years 1863 and 1928, was a master who conveyed meaning through his own particular symbolic images. In his paintings, Stuck combines the environment of his era with mythology and mysticism. Characters of his images are mostly mythical and metaphoric. They are treated as archetypes in a very unconventional way. Stuck's paintings are dreamlike. He reflects his dreams through a great mastery in design. Figures in his paintings are sculptural rather than pictorial. One can find a tension between reality and dream in his works. Stuck creates a balance between the opposite forces to connect with art and with life. Franz von Stuck paints a world that is captivated by the beauty that is found between heroism and self-satisfaction. His female figures are seductive. They have symbolic posture in their purity and nakedness. Even in his religious themes, he follows his own style of symbolism instead of following the traditional Christian iconography. Stuck creates sultry atmosphere in his paintings through fusing lust and anxiety. The theme that he follows in many of his canvases is the Femme Fatale, the dangerous woman. Perhaps he is reflecting the characteristics of the era in which he lived. He uses female image as the emblem of the original sin. A black snake wraps a pale woman who symbolizes Eve. In his painting of Lucifer, Stuck shows the devil crept into some dark place trying to hide from heaven. The small glimmer of light suggests that he can't hide completely from God. It shows Lucifer in the darkness of the pit, away from the light of God's love and unhappy about his defeat. Stuck considers frame as an integral part of the painting. He usually designs and builds them himself in a very careful craftsmanship, combined with gold leafing and decorative letterings. Franz von Stuck was born in Tittenweiss, Germany. He showed excellent drawing skills from an early age. His parents, despite their economic poverty, sent him to study at the Munich Academy of Fine Arts. There, Franz learned many skills, including painting and sculpting. As a professional artist, he first became well known by his cartoons and book decorations. In 1889, he exhibited his first paintings at the Munich Glass Palace, winning a gold medal for the painting of the Guardian of Paradise. 3 years later, in 1892, Stuck co-founded the Munich Secession. 2 years later, he became a professor at the Munich Academy and mentored several emerging artists who would go on to make significant contributions to the art world. Franz von Stuck died at the age of 65 in Munich. By the time of his death, his importance as an artist was forgotten until the late 1960s, when interest in Art Nouveau brought him to the attention of the public once more. Today, the works of Franz von Stuck can be found in major galleries and museums across the globe.